Can you talk us through the decision to give him an penalty?
Well, I just felt that we weren't executing as well as we could, and that's one thing that LA is just really smart with, is execution. He knows how to get the team into execution and into spots, and knows who to get the ball to. And I just felt we were lacking at that point. And I just turned to him. I said, "You ready to go in?" He goes, "Yeah." And I said, "Okay." And I felt we needed a break for Scotty at that point as well. So LA is always ready, and he works so hard in practice every day. Even though he may not play, he's still working, and he's 40, 41 years old, still working super hard in practice every day.
Thank you, Coach. Scotty, now on to you. Dahil sa higpit ng depensa ng parehong pupunan, hindi naging ganun kalinis yung execution. Pero bilang floor general, ano ba yung mga nakita mong advantages nyo o yung mga lapses ng TNT, lalo na nung dikit yung laban sa Rio, that you were able to maximize?
First of all praise all the tonight. And just really inspired today's championship. No? We all know it's a grind game, possession by possession, and we just don't want to quit every single game. So thank God win tonight and really inspired. So family also right ko, it's a mga kids.
Scotty, being one win away from the title, ano ba sa tingin mo yung susi para makuha nyo na sa susunod na title?
I think for us, we have to focus lang on just one game, no past, no future for us. Just focus on game na yun. Closeout series is the most hardest game. No? We always talk about that, but let's see what we can do next game. But bibigyan namin yung best namin.
Thank you, Scotty. At this point, we're opening the floor to you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Scotty, yung pagpapasok mo kay Okta ng fourth quarter, basically parang na rin yung panoy sa inyo. Ano bang nabasa mo doon na binabantayan ka ni Okta na nascore mo siya back-to-back basket?
It's just right play at the right time lang siguro. I made shot on the stretch, but overall I think it's a team execution pa rin. Those guys moving weak side, I think yun yung kick na open and wala masyadong nag-hit.
Scotty,